Today we will introduce Nilight 4PCS LED strobe lights. Let's take a look together now. Open the box, you can see a warranty card. You can contact us to inquire about product issues through the contact information on the warranty card. 4PCS double raw 24 LED flashing lights. One PC control switch. One PC main control box. One PC cigarette lighter plug. One PC power wire. One PC double-sided sticker for switch. 4PCS silicone mats. Three PCS mounting screws for controller. 8 PCS mounting screws and 8 PCS mounting nuts.